Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the one that dazzles with elegance, solid software, and serious innovation. But is it enough of it to justify the sky-high $1,799 price tag? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Let's be clear, Pixel 10 Pro is a beautifully built device. Google kept the sleek Pixel design, added a stunning inner display, IP68 dust resistance, and even Pixel Snap magnetic charging, making it the first foldable to play nice with MagSafe accessories. You also get the same great Pixel software experience that's polished, intuitive, and getting smarter with every update. But the biggest problem? It doesn't do enough to stand out from its sibling, the Pixel 10 Pro, or its scariest rival, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's not thinner, it's not dramatically more powerful, it's not overflowing with foldable-specific features. And when you consider that you can buy a Pixel 10 Pro and an iPad mini for less, the Fold starts to look like a product of mere luxury and flex, rather than a foldable that's actually a productivity powerhouse. Sure, it has perks like Camera Coach, an AI photography tutor, and clever dual-screen uses, but those features aren't polished and sometimes buggy. And while battery life is decent, it's far from perfect. In short, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is a great foldable phone, but it's not better than the already excellent Pixel 10 Pro, which is $950 cheaper. Unless you want a tablet and phone in one device and you're addicted to folding screens, it's better to leave this for people with deep pockets. Are you still gonna get it? Or do you have it already? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.